In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to get your colleagues on board so you can organize projects in one shared place. Start by opening Asana and making sure you're in the correct workspace or organization. Think of a workspace or organization as the overall container for your company or personal setup. If you have access to more than one, use the switcher at the top to confirm you're in the space where this team should live. Getting this right up front saves you from moving things later. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar for the team section. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the navigation. The teams area is where all groups in your workspace or organization are listed. If you don't see it right away, scroll down. It may be tucked below your recent projects. Now click Create Team or Add Team in that section. This button may appear as a plus icon or a clear call to action depending on your layout. If the option isn't visible, you might not have permission to create teams in this space. So check with your admin. Otherwise, continue and Asana will open a setup window. Enter a clear, descriptive team name and add a short description. The name should make it obvious who the team is for or what it does, like marketing, product, or event planning. Use the description to set expectations. What types of work will be managed here? Who should join? And any naming rules for projects. A couple of thoughtful sentences here help new members immediately understand the purpose. Add members by entering their email addresses. You can type them one by one, paste a list, or select from suggested contacts if Asana recognizes people in your domain. Invite only the people who need access right now. You can always add others later. Consider including a quick welcome note in your invite so folks know why they're being added and what to do first. When everything looks good, save the team. Asana will create the space and bring you to its home view. From here, you can start creating projects inside the team so all related work stays organized. Use clear project names, add a brief project description, and set owners and due dates to keep things moving. That's it. You opened Asana, navigated to your workspace or organization, found the team section, created a team, named and described it, invited members, and saved it so you can begin building projects. Keep your naming consistent and your descriptions helpful, and your team will be off to a strong start.